Hi, Norman Hallett here with your next 4-minute drill for traders. Lately, I've noticed that a lot of traders that I talk to have had a hard time focusing. By that I mean focusing on what they need to do, follow their trading plan right to the end of the trade. What's happening is that many of these traders get into a trade, and after they get into the trade, one of two things happen. The trade goes their way, and thoughts creep into your head like, wow, this trade is really going nicely in my direction. Rather than take the profit where my system tells me to, maybe I'll just let the market go through that limit and then I'll put a stop in where the limit was. This way, I can let it run and I'll make more money. But where do you take your profit if it does start running? What kind of new rules on the fly are you going to start to make up? The fact is, there are just too many bad things that can happen when you stray from your tested and proven trading plan. You know this, but you're still tempted to let a seemingly powerful trade run even when your trading plan tells you to take your nice little profit chunk out of the market. Then, of course, there's the other fate in that original trade, where you put the trade on and it starts going against you and heading to your stop quickly. Here's where an undisciplined, unfocused trader will say to themselves, heck, I don't want the market to stop me out just to come back and turn around in my direction. I just put this trade on. You start talking to yourself. You lift your stop, and it may actually start to snap back just like you dreamed of, but wait, it's turning against you again. Just like in the trade that went well at first, you're out of control in this last example. The moment you lift your stop, you're off your trading plan and you're out of control. You have to stop dreaming that moves will happen. You have to stop imagining outcomes right in the middle of your trade. There's only one way to win, and win consistently as a trader. And that's to follow your trading plan. There's no other way. Everything else is a losing proposition. You have to build a responsible trading plan with solid risk management principles intact, and then trade the plan. Not trade some dream of yours, something that your imagination conjured up. Trading is not a game. Trading is a deliberate, calculated process of action that requires you to be focused and disciplined in executing that plan. Period. Are you thinking that you're disciplined when, if you're honest with yourself, you're really trading on the fly a lot of the time? The first step in your undisciplined trader recovery is to be honest with yourself. Can you honestly say you are a disciplined trader? If so, congratulations, because I'm sure you're doing well in these opportunistic markets. The markets are great and will continue to be great if you're disciplined. If you're not, you've got to start training your mind to stick to your plan. Look, if you don't yet own our Disciplined Trader Mastery Kit, make it a point to get it. Why wait to be successful? Your discipline is likely the only thing you're missing to get you to profitability. Okay, that's it for this edition of 4-Minute Drill for Traders. So until next week, stay disciplined.